I'm sorry. I don't know what I'm gonna feed you for dinner tonight. And I'm sorry I didn't check your food sooner, and that I've been feeding it to you. That is a hair or a piece of plastic, and it's multiple pieces. Baked in to her food, and it's not just one kibble, it's multiple. And the bag looks like it's at the end, but this bag is about half empty, and I don't remember what we got her because we threw the bag away. It's either Purina or Roy, because those are the only ones that she'll eat. And normally it doesn't look like this. But it's super grainy, and there's just pieces of I don't know what sticking out of the kibble. Like, do you see that? Sorry, I'm super shaky. So we're gonna go out and buy her a new bag of food. A different bag of food. I know, I'm sorry. I can't feed this to you. And I'm sorry, I have been feeding it to you. And not being very happy when you don't finish your food. I thought she was on a hunger strike, like most huskies go on, but no. She was trying to tell me that there was something wrong with the food. When I figure out which brand we bought her this last time, I will contact them and let them know, but I don't have a batch number because we threw the bag away because we put it in a container, an airtight container. I know. And none of that is because we put it in an airtight container. That is literally stuff baked in to the kibble. I just wish I had checked it sooner. And I've seen videos of this happening with other people's dog food. I just did never think that it would be ours.